Welcome back. The next thing after launching the spreadsheet application or Excel is to work, but we don't just launch it and stop there. So I'll be talking about physical features so that we'll be conversant with it in case of usage, so we can be able to do anything and find anything wherever as fast as possible. So without wasting time, we'll talk about the features. The first one is the title bar. The title bar is the first bar on the top of the application window. We have application window and then the document window. The application window is where commands are housed, while the document window is where your work can be done. Here it has rows and columns. So the title bar holds the title or the name of the job. If it is not saved, it will be book. This one was saved, so it is lesson Excel. So if it were not saved, this side will be book 1, since it's the first sheet, a first book I'm opening to book 1. On the top right, we have the minimize button, we have restore, maximize button, and then the close button. We have this play ribbon. This is a button to reduce it. This one is not always there. It's in the latest version that you have the button, but the help was always there. Help button. And on the top left, we have a quick access toolbar. The quick access can actually be removed from here, so I don't want to talk about it. So the next bar is the menu bar. The following one is the ribbon or formatting tools bar. The next one is the formula bar, then the working page where it is made up of rows and columns. We have the status bar. This is the status bar. It shows the status of the job. On the top, on the right side of it, we have view, change views. This one is the normal view. We have the page layout view and then the break view, page break view. We have this maximize magnification. You can use it to magnify your job in case it is too tiny for you to see. You can either drag the calibrator or you use the addition icon to add the magnification, or you can even type a value in a percentage value, maybe 500. That one wow, is quite big because I've already added it now. Type something like 3 or 250 add, or we will reduce it by typing 100 or checking 100 on the radio option. So the title bar, like I said, only holds the title of the job of the book. Then the formatting, the close, restore, maximize, and then the minimize. The minimize button is used to minimize the screen, the application from the screen, so that you can be able to look at what else is open to access desktop. Or there's another job here running. That's the minimize. If I minimize it, you can go straight to the button at the on the taskbar. This one is the taskbar. You should know that, and click on the job for it to be brought up again. That is to be maximize. Again, it was maximize view. So when you click the button, go to maximize view. And we have restore, where it will reduce it to a smaller view, and it will not cover screen. By the maximize, you always keep it